Hey guys, how's it going? This is Pawan Mayer, and today I'm going to show you how to make your screenshots look beautiful. So let's say if you want to take a screenshot and you do not want to show the entire screen and you just want to show a part of it. You can pretty much do that, and I'll take an example of the same as well as below. So I'm just catching us part of the screen. Alright, and here we have our screenshot. Okay, so this can be pretty much done, but it actually doesn't look that presentable, right? So if you want to use this in a presentation or somewhere else, you can pretty much use it, but it won't look just as beautiful. So to actually make your screenshots look really presentable, what we can do is we can use an online tool called as Screely. Right, so Screely tool is completely free, right? And it is very easy to use. So I'll just take you a tour of this particular tool. All right, so this is the tool over here. We just have to drag and drop our files. So I'll just browse my file up. So this is the screenshot which we had taken earlier. And what it will do is actually create a mock-up of that entire particular screenshot, right? So I'll just change the color of the background to something else so that you can see it even more clearly. So this is the color which we'll be taking, right? So I now, as you can see, it has added up a particular padding, and it has also rounded the corners as well. So this actually makes it look like you have taken the entire screen up, and it makes it look really presentable, and it looks complete. And there are n number of customization options as well for you. So you can pretty much take a darken mode, or you can take just a outline mode for minimalistic look, but I generally prefer the regular one. Also, you can change the color of the background, as you already saw earlier, so that can be done. And if you do not want the background at all, that you can do as well. So you just have to select this particular transparent option. So that is done. Okay, and again, vertically and horizontally reduce the padding size as well. So now just have to uh, download the finished file, and here, as you can see, this is our finished screenshot, right? So we'll just compare it with the one which we already have, right? And you can yourself make out the difference. So this is the one which we already have, and this is the one which we just downloaded from Screely. So there's a huge difference uh, when we actually have the finished image with us, and it makes your screenshot look really presentable, and it's completely free of cost. So I would definitely recommend that you use this screenshot tool freely on your own. And if you have any questions for me, you can pretty much drop in a comment on the comment section, and I will be more than happy to help.